Alright, the new controller is in now. EP Solar Tracer, MPPT, maximum power point tracking, 40 amps is in, and meters right here is all ready to go, and the old breakers there. So I'll be coming with more updates on the videos. Look at these, the first array is up. Those are 480 watt Kyocera's, 120 watt each, and there is the second array. And guys, we'll be doing a lot of work here today, almost one whole day project. Look at that, just way so beautiful, right? Well, this is how we do it. From JW Solar USA, and this is my friend, and there's his son right there, and so it's almost getting done. And after that, we're gonna do the adjustment. It's swivel. Did you see that? That's how it's gonna go. Sorry, I took a break a little bit. So those are the black panels right there, the high voltage ones, and these are Kyocera's 120 watts, 480 right there. Well, guys,
John,
nope.
I said it to you.
Yes, that's the other panel right there. That's a huge 290 watt solar panels. It's a solar world, and 8 amps on that one. That's a beast right there. And look at this. You guys like the array? Looks beautiful. Tomorrow we're gonna be pumping some power, and that'll be awesome. That's a disconnect box right there. We're gonna get all the second disconnect. It's gonna be getting in next to that one for that array. That disconnect right there is for these Kyocera's, and another second disconnect is gonna be for that array. That. So you guys, let me know what you think. And this, I'm telling you, is a hard project. You know, thank God we have 3 people here today, and I'm videoing and working as well, but this is beautiful. Tell me guys what you think. And this is our installation and upgrades live from JW Solar USA, Minnesota, sorry, Woodbury. Take care. Please subscribe. How does it look, Tom?
Are they tight?
Looking really good.
You want more?
No, I think just about perfect there.
Okay, well hold on, because John.
Well, YouTubers, and this is almost the end of the installation. We're running out of lights, but the panels are already up, and thanks for following this program all day. And I want to thank gentleman up there. And look at this, it's nighttime. Woohoo! All right, subscribe, comment, and thumbs up to the channel. JW Solar USA signing out.